motion control wrap. First, open the abdominal band and waistband of the motion control wrap. Then open the upper and lower zippers up to the sewing line. Put the diaper cup into the diaper cup pocket of the motion control wrap. Zip the lower zipper way into the end, covering the lower part of the diaper cup securely. Fasten the 4 diaper cup fixing buttons on the left and right sides inside the motion control wrap to the diaper cup. Roll up the waistband so that the Velcro tape on the cover does not come into contact with the user's skin and cause an abrasion. Place the diaper cup next to the user. Undress the user's bottoms and the paper diaper that the user was wearing. Have the user lay on one side. Pull the rolled waistband beneath the user's waist. Place the diaper cup horizontally against the user's buttocks. After that, put the other hand between the user's thighs, grasp the front of the diaper cup, and lay the user face up. When adjusting the position of the diaper cup, hold the waistband of the motion control wrap and pull it alternatively left and right to make the private parts close to the center of the diaper cup. Fold up the waistband to wrap the abdomen. Be careful not to hurt user's hair and skin from being caught against the diaper cup. Install the gender module. Pull up the abdominal band of the motion control wrap, attach it to the waistband, and pull the top zipper up completely. Unfold the left and right leakage prevention band of the motion control wrap and arrange them. After putting your hands in between the buttocks along the leakage prevention band, spread the legs apart without lifting the buttocks. Press the auto button on the control panel. Adjust the patient gown to make the unopened part of the bottoms of the patient gown face up. Check the operation status by looking at the control panel screen of the main body unit. Put a pillow or something similar on the tube connector of the diaper cup and make the unit level with the user. Put it under the user's legs to fasten.